Well, hello, Nail Bestie, and welcome back to the Drive-In. I am so happy to have you here for the long-awaited sequel. So just sit back, relax, and let the show begin. In the first movie, we were introduced to these 6 amazing Buttercream colors for the summer collection, the Drive-In by Elegance. But now let's take it one step further and let's see what we can create with these. My inspiration here is, of course, the movies, drive-ins, neon signs. So yeah, we're gonna create neon signs, and actually 5 of them, starting out with a black base. You can use any black base as you wish, and then coming in with some white gel paint and creating the base for the neon signs. So I looked around a little bit online and I tried to figure out kind of the best way of creating neon signs, and I landed on this technique. You might have seen it before. I hadn't, and I enjoyed it quite a lot. It was a lot of fun to do. So what you need actually is just a white. I'm using white gel paint. You can use just white buttercream if you wish. It is just based on preference. And then I use my stripey brush to create those really thin, nice lines. And then you, of course, want to cure in between each nail. You can cure in between a couple of lines even if you want to. And for the next part, we're gonna mix up some super shiny with just white buttercream. And then we are going to frame every single line with this mixture. And that is going to create that glowy effect. And you should have heard me when I did this. I actually have it recorded. I might need to add it here. We'll see. I was like, oh my god, just trust the process. Trust the process. Because it looked like a mess when I did this, but I was like, no, I'm sticking to this technique. I am going to do this. So here I am mixing some super shiny with one of the colors, and then after curing, of course, you want to put this on top. And it was like, okay, I'm glad and I'm happy that I trusted the process, because now it's like, oh yeah, of course, it all comes together. So you go over those lines with whatever color you have. Here we're using the beautiful, and oh, I love it so much, backseat necking. So nice, really like a it's a pink that really pops, and you get those kind of 80s vibe that I really love. And then coming in with Twilight Date Night, and you want to cure in between each nail, but you don't necessarily have to cure in between each color, because when you are painting this, the color will start to blend out. Like the more you wait, the more it's going to start to blend. So it's not necessarily a bad thing to kind of leave it there for a little bit. You can do as you wish. Just remember to really cover all that white, and you want to have the color mixed with your super shiny to get that kind of half transparent look. I can't tell you like how much, like 50-50. I have no clue. I mean, you just have to try it out for yourself. But I can tell you that in some areas, I actually came in with just the plain color, just right in the center to get a little bit more pop of the color. So that is completely up to you. Just kind of try it out, experiment. What I did found out when I started doing the white blend was that you need to have it pretty cleaned up. So try to use your brush in like one motion, one stroke, so that it looks more clean than just going back and forth and up and down, because it's gonna look really messy. And here, coming in with some stars, I was thinking kind of like, you know, when you're looking at a neon sign and then you have the starry sky in the background, kind of what I'm going for. And of course, finishing this up with some flat matte, because why not? And soon we will have the finished result, soon. Yeah, here we go. And I have to say, I do love this. I love it. For being, you know, the first neon sign set, I am really pleased with myself. You can actually see it here on the cherries that this is kind of where I started. I struggled a little bit with the white blend because I didn't realize that I had to do it like in one stroke, if that makes sense. So you can see the difference from the cherries over to the other nails. And here you have the full collection. Love this so much, and it is out now, so make sure to go and grab it at your closest distributor or at lightelegance.com. And as always, you know that Light Elegance products are all HEMA-free, 9-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, and vegan. And we do believe that what's inside matters. I would love to see you try this technique out. I had so much fun with it, and please, please, please trust the process, trust the process, trust the process. So with that, I say thank you so much for visiting our drive-in once again. Make sure to like, subscribe, and push that notification bell so you don't miss out when I upload a new video. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye! Alltså, trust the process här känner jag.